me a sec. Guys, give me a second and I'll get to you guys shortly. Alright? Hold on, Anthony. Gotta make sure. Yeah. Oh, fucking. Thank you. Alright, hold on. Excuse me. Sorry, gotta go. Get down. Bro. Bus is too close. Just 4303. I'm on the show. Yeah. Oh, careful. Guys, I'm just dropping them off and then I'll get to you guys.
That's lovely. You have a good day.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Hey.
How you get caught by a teacher?
Bye.
What?
I mean,
What? Like what? No, I'm curious. What did I say?
Hope y'all get on the bus. Bye.
Oh, that's like not dying in 33 years.
That's so ugly.
Oh, you are.
I said 15 years. Huh? Oh my Oh my god, that is so rude.
what?
There was my mom and then they go to my phone and then I had to move his seat.
Right here. Arian. Is that?
Oh yeah, there it is.
I like your shoes.
Right here.
I know what that is. I'm a smart guy. You know
You dropped something. Alright, hello. Welcome. So, today, we're just chilling. Or now, I would say.
Did he tell you to fuck off?
Who?
What's his name?
Ari?
Yeah.
Of course he did. He always does that.
Damn. He said fuck off.
I don't complain.
Why you just let him talk to you?
Who said? I don't. Uh-huh. It's not like I complain either. Where's that at? But yeah, welcome. Today we're just chilling, you know. And that's it. Because I'm gonna gonna say anything less because, you know, we just chilling. All those buses, that one right there, the Bluebird, is 4401, so I'd say less.
Walk off, Krish.
Bruh, why are you trying to be rude right now?
That's what he said.
Bruh, he's always like that. I don't
Fuck
care.
off, Krish.
You know what? That has to get that.
Oh my god.
Just did it like that. I did it like that. I don't care. What the? Oh. Mm-hmm. So, welcome. If anyone's new to stuff, then get it. And it's like 91 degrees. I mean, sorry, let me check it. It's like 97 degrees and it's cold winds. And the wind is blowing 20 miles an hour, which is surprisingly good. So my bus, 4408, which is right here. So after he's done with my school, he has to go to Lakemont Elementary School, which ends at 3, and then Glenridge Middle School, which ends at 4. So, yeah. And plus, I have to be up early at 4:20, like, I wake up at 4 o'clock a.m. because, my bus, this one, because the bus driver, he comes at like 8 something, so yeah. But technically I'm not gonna say anything because but yeah, the bus driver, he comes at 5:27 a.m. in the morning when school doesn't start till like 7:20. All right, take it easy. This is 4414 from the freshman campus.
Oh shit.
So yeah, freshman buses, surprisingly, so in a substitute for this one, 4421, I guess, you know, like, yeah, so 4421 did not make it today for the thing, for the after school thing. So 4421 did not come, like, was not able to come for the, you know, transportation to the main campus for the activity buses. So 4416, 181, 43, and was a substitute for that. So 4417, 181, 47, 47, and 4404, 17209 were there for the activity buses, but 4421, 18170 was not able to make it. So that's why 4416, 18143 decided to do the transportation. So yeah, just know that. And me chilling right now is gonna be, and today's outfit is basically this shirt, gray Old Navy shirt, black pants, and my Air Forces. So just know that. I'm not sure either. Either way, I'm not gonna complain about it again. Thank you twice. Thank you nothing. But I don't know, I'm thinking of doing like a vlog style type of video. But y'all have to let me know like what kind of video I want. Because I need to know, and if it comes to that end, then I can be able to know. But in my opinion, I'm gonna need to know what type of style of videos, you know, y'all want.
Jump the pole.
McAllister.
By a bunch of black people? I've never been jumped by a bunch of black people.
See, I don't know what type of videos y'all want to see, you know, and if y'all want to see like other type of videos, then you know y'all can let me know in the comments below, and I will get to y'all's suggestions. But if it does come to that end, then yes, I will get to you guys' suggestions. And maybe we can do like a duet type of video on gaming stuff, and yeah, if y'all want that, then I will give it to you guys. No reason to have an exception for that. Yeah, it is windy, so, and the wind is blowing 25 miles an hour right now. So yeah. I will catch you all on the next one. Peace out. Bye guys. Love you all. Catch you on the next one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.